You've decided to implement a deal desk at your company and are now looking at software supporting your operations. The backbone of any revenue operations and successful revenue organization is the CRM, or Customer Relationship Management Software. CRMs play a critical role in supporting Deal Desk by providing a centralized platform for managing and tracking customer interactions, deal progress, and relevant information. In this video, we'll cover how to effectively use CRMs for Deal Desk. Are you interested? Stick with me. Use the CRM as a centralized repository for all deal-related information. This includes customer details, communication history, deal stages, and any other relevant data. Having a single source of truth ensures that all team members can access up-to-date information. Leverage CRM features for deal tracking and pipeline management. Visualize the entire life cycle of a deal from initial contact to closure using pipeline views. This provides a clear overview of the current status of deals and helps in prioritizing your efforts. Implement automated workflows within the CRM to streamline routine processes. This can include automated notifications, task assignments, and reminders for key deal milestones. Use CRM functionalities to segment and categorize deals based on criteria such as deal size, industry, or stage. This segmentation aids in target analysis, allowing the deal desk to focus on specific subsets of deals and apply tailored strategies. Integrate the CRM with other tools and systems used by the deal desk, such as email platforms, document management systems, and collaboration tools. Seamless integration ensures a unified workspace and reduces the need for manual data entry. Enable real-time collaboration among team members using CRM features that support communication and the sharing of updates. This ensures that everyone involved in the deal desk has access to the latest information and can collaborate effectively. Implement deal scoring mechanisms within the CRM to prioritize deals based on predefined data. Deal scoring helps the deal desk focus on high potential opportunities and ensures that resources are allocated effectively. Utilize CRM reporting tools to generate insights into deal performance, forecast accuracy, and other key metrics. Customizable reports allow for in-depth analysis and help the deal desk make data-driven decisions and assess overall performance. Choose a CRM platform with mobile accessibility to enable on-the-go access to deal information. Mobile applications empower deal desk professionals to stay connected and responsive, especially away from the office, ensuring deal flow does not stall out or get interrupted. Implement robust security measures and define user permissions within the CRM. This ensures that sensitive deal information is protected and access is restricted based on roles and responsibilities. Use CRM tools to track and log customer communications. This includes emails, calls, and meetings. Having a comprehensive communication history helps in understanding the customer context and making informed decisions during deal evaluations. Integrate the CRM with marketing automation tools to allow marketing efforts with the deal desk activities. This integration ensures a seamless flow of information between marketing and sales teams, improving coordination. The choice of the best CRM for a deal desk depends on various factors, such as the organization's specific needs, industry, size, and budget. However, several CRMs are well regarded for their capabilities in supporting deal desks. You can find a link to those below in this video. And that's a wrap. Today we covered the use of CRMs in your deal desk. To learn more about Deal Desk or CRMs, visit harperjamescapital.com, and as always, follow us for more relevant content just like this. Thanks for watching.